If you have ever noticed emails that seem to disappear from your inbox, this process will help you track them down efficiently. Begin by working within your Outlook desktop application and focus your attention on the search bar located near the top corner of the screen. This search bar is one of the most powerful tools in Outlook, especially if you have years of messages spread across multiple folders. Once you locate the search bar, look to the right side of it and click on the three-line filter icon. This opens up advanced filtering options that allow you to refine exactly what Outlook searches for. One of the most useful filters to apply here is the date filter. By setting a start date and an end date, you can narrow the search to a specific time period when you believe the missing email arrived. If you do not remember the exact date, estimating a rough time frame still helps reduce the number of results significantly. In addition to filtering by date, it is helpful to use keywords connected to the missing email. These keywords could be part of the subject line, a phrase from the message body, or even the sender information you recall. When you combine keyword searching with a date range, Outlook becomes much more precise and can quickly surface emails that were buried or overlooked. As these filters are applied, Outlook automatically searches across your folders, including archived messages. If the email was archived due to storage or sync settings, it should appear in the results once the search completes. Likewise, if the email was deleted accidentally and is still within the recoverable period, it may also show up during this search process. This approach allows you to recover messages without manually checking every folder. It is also important to understand that missing emails are sometimes linked to sync settings or mailbox size limits. Outlook may archive older messages automatically depending on your configuration. Keeping an eye on these archive and sync settings can help prevent confusion in the future. Adjusting how often Outlook archives messages and which folders are included allows you to stay in control of where your emails are stored. If you find that emails go missing frequently, reviewing these settings can make a big difference in how your inbox behaves. With a consistent search approach and properly adjusted sync preferences, you can avoid unnecessary stress and keep your communication organized. By following these steps, you should be able to locate emails that were archived, accidentally deleted, or simply hidden among many folders. The search bar in Outlook is your most reliable tool for regaining control of your inbox and keeping important messages within reach. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit us with a like. Thanks for watching.